Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the app and account ready. Now begin. Open Google Docs, sign in, and allow files access so docs sync to your iPhone. Tap Plus to create a new document or pick one from recents. This gets you into the editor immediately. Once in the doc, give it a clear title at the top so you can find it later. Make sure to enable cellular sync if you'll edit offline. This keeps changes safe when you reconnect. Now you'll work with content. Tap the icon to open formatting options and apply bold headings or bullets. This organizes your doc and aids scanning. Tap Plus to insert images, tables, links, or start voice typing for fast dictation. Use 2 fingers to highlight text and the toolbar to cut, copy, or change styles. Pinch to zoom for precise edits. Once done, use the undo arrow to reverse mistakes. This keeps your workflow quick and forgiving. Finish by sharing and securing your work. Tap Share, choose permissions, viewer, commenter, or editor, and add people or copy link. This controls collaboration. Enable offline on important files so you can edit without a network. Check sync status at the top right to confirm uploads. If something breaks, force close docs, toggle Wi-Fi or cellular, and reopen. If syncing still fails, sign out and back in or reinstall the app. These steps fix most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.